Hello friends, this is Rahul Singh. Today we will discuss about regular expressions. So regular expression is very important. So basically if you are working as a SIM admin, so you are managing any SIM solution. So regular expression is important in creating parser. If you don't know regular expression, it will be difficult to create parser for various SIM solution like IBM QRadar, HP Oxide. It requires to create flex connectors and McAfee, Nitro, and so regular expression is used in various other fields. It has wide range of application. It is used by data scientists in data analysis. It is used in Splunk as well for various purposes, and it is also used in signature creation of various antivirus for pattern matching, log analysis. So regular expression is important. So in this video, we will discuss some basic of the regular expression, their keywords, and how to write simple regular expression to match pattern, and then complex one. Okay. So before starting, let me explain you some basic keywords. So we have some basic keywords which is being used in regular expression. So here is D. D stands for, because we use backslash. This is the format to write any regular expression. Backslash is used, and D stands for digit. Small d stands for digit, and it match any digit 0 to 9. Okay, any number 0 to 9. And capital D is just opposite of small d, means it will match everything except numbers. Then small w, it will match characters. That character includes letters and numbers. Okay, and capital W is opposite of a small w because it will match everything except character and numbers. Okay, so for example, let me explain you by, like, if I write slash d, see, it is matching all the number. Okay, here is 15 here number. Okay, if we write capital D, so it will match everything except number. Okay, here is 15, so it will not match. It is not matching 15. It is not matching any number. It is matching letters and special characters, white space. Okay, underscore. So basically it is matching everything except number. Okay, now we have small w. See, small w match characters. Okay, and numbers. See, you can see, so it is not matching dot, but it is matching only letters, numbers, and underscore. Okay, three things. It is matching numbers, letters, and underscore, and apart from this it will not match anything. Now capital W. So capital W is, sorry, capital W will match everything except letters, number, and underscore. See, you can see this is Mike, this is letter, so it will not be matched, and dot will be matched, and at the rate will be matched. White space is matching here, white space and comma, uh, a double quote, and hyphen. Okay, so capital W is opposite of small w. Okay, now small s is used to match any white space. See, so wherever white space is available, it will highlight that one. Okay, now capital S will match everything except white space. Okay, so here is a white space, it is not matching, and except white space, it is matching everything. Okay, now we have backslash is a quote the next meta character. Okay, so we have learned this is a one format where we, in which we can write an expression. So now we have dot, match any character. So dot will match any character. If we write uh, dot, so it will match everything. See, it will match letters, numbers, special characters, white space, everything. It's being matched. Okay, now we have pi. Okay, bar, alteration or, so it will act as a boolean So we can this is act as a or condition. Okay. For example, if I tell you like Rahul dot Singh. Okay. Another expression, another field is Rahul underscore Singh. Okay. Sorry. Rahul dot Singh. So how pi will work? Let me explain you. Rahul dot Singh. So it is matching. Sorry. So dot here dot means it will match everything, but I don't want to use dot as a. So instead of dot, I will tell you the. Yeah, let me use the expression. Okay. Yeah. See, Rahul underscore dot. Okay, and underscore Singh. So this expression is matching this one, but not this one. But we want to match both. So here we modify our expression. We will use or condition here. So we'll put a bracket because Rahul is constant, Singh is constant in both common. So we'll use pi as a or condition. Now we'll use dot because dot is one of the a keyword, so we cannot use dot as a keyword. So we want to use dot as a simple character. Okay, so we'll use backslash then dot. This means the after backslash the dot will be considered as a simple character, not as any irregular expression keyword. See here. So the first condition is first match is Rahul. So here it is Rahul is constant. It will check for Rahul. Okay. Then after it, check for underscore either or dot. So here underscore is present. So it will match underscore. Then Singh. Singh is present. Okay, match. In next expression, Rahul is present and it will check for underscore or dot. So dot is available. Then Singh. So here we understood the use of pi. Okay, bar. It act as a or condition. Now we have bracket for grouping. I will tell you how to use in more detail how to use grouping. So just now we have learned uh, uh, this bracket, how to use bracket. So similar, but it has some more usage. I will tell you later in this video. Now we have character class. Okay, how to use character class we will show you in the next in the video. Now we have already discussed small w, capital W, and digits. Now we have star asterisk zero or more times. So it will match zero or more times. Okay. Now we have plus one or more times. Now n is exactly n number of times. N comma at least n times. So it will match at least n times. Now we have in n and m at least n but not more than m times. So I will explain you each and everything with example so that it will be clear for you. Okay, so let's move to with the example. Okay, now you got a one requirement. In this requirement there is a one paragraph. You got a one suppose this is something like a paragraph is you have a one raw data and you want to extract email address from this, all the email address. You can see there is a mike.rose@yahoo.com is a one email, and then Rahul Singh SKY15 Gmail is a one email. The email there is a here one email address, and here is one email address, and here. So you need to write one regular expression to extract email address out of this raw data. So here the file, here the data size is very less small, but in practical, in your environment, there might be a huge file and you need to extract the email address from all. So, so I will tell you how to extract email address. Okay. So email address. So for example, this one mike.roger@yahoo.com. So it starts with Mike. Mike is a letter. So we use this bracket, and in this bracket we will define A to Z, and we'll close this bracket. Means it will match everything, every letter between A to Z. Okay, but here it is in a small. If there will be anything in a capital letter, it will not match. For example, here P is in capital, so the P is not highlighted, means P is not matching. This expression is not matching P. So to avoid this condition, we will also define capital A. We'll also define A and Z. See, for our side, uh, if there is any email address which starts with capital or contains any capital letter, so for that case, we have defined a small and capital both. Okay. Now we can see here this email address pragya hyphen misra at wipro.com has been I have been matching, but not completely. Now we can see each letter is highlighted, not the complete word, because this expression is matching only one character. Okay, but we want to match a continuous character, continuous word. We want to match complete mic. Okay, so for this we will use plus, or we can use star. Star means 0 or more times, or 1 or more times. So we will use here plus, but you can also use asterisk mark, because plus means it will match one or more times. This expression is matching one character. If you use plus, then it will match a continuous character. Okay, this is Mike, and again there it finds a dot. So the match will be break here, and again it will start to match Roger. Again it will not match at the rate, because at the rate is not defined. This is a special character. This expression only matches letters, and in continuous letter what plus is used means it will match continuously letters. Okay. Now we can see it is matching Mike, Roger. Now there is at the rate. So we need to define at the rate. At the rate is a constant everywhere. So simple we will at the rate. Okay. So here now Roger at the rate is matched. But there is a dot and there is a Mike. Mike dot and letter. So in bracket we define slash dot. Okay. So why we have defined slash dot? Because dot is a one keyword, but we don't use dot as a keyword. Want to use dot as a keyword because we only want dot as a simple character. Okay, that's why we use backslash. After backslash, it will considered as a simple dot. Okay, now this A to Z will match all the letters in a small, and this capital A to Z will match all the letters in capital, and this backslash will match backslash dot will match dot anywhere between this continuous letter. Okay, so here there is a Mike. Again it will check for dot. Yes, dot is present. Yeah, Roger. So it will match till here. Okay, now it will check for at the rate. Yes, at the rate is here. Now we have yahoo.com. So again it's a letter group of letters. So what we will do, again we will define A to Z. For small, for safer side we will define also capital A to Z. Okay, again this expression will match only one character, only one letter. Here y is matched but not all. So we will use plus to match all continuous. Okay. Now we can see .com. So we can use slash dot. Now com. Okay. See, now we can successfully pass this email address, but still we are not able to parse this Rahul Singh @gmail.com. Now Pragya underscore Mishra, sorry, hyphen Mishra @wipro.com is not being passed, and also John underscore Carter not being passed. So we'll match this one. Okay, Rahul Singh. So why it is not highlighted? Because it contains one number. So we will add, we'll define number in this first expression underscore 9. See, as soon as I define number 0 to 9, it has been passed. Okay. Now again, Pragya Mishra is not being passed. So why it is not being passed? Because there is a hyphen, and hyphen is not defined here. So we will use one hyphen. See, Pragya has been also passed. Now this is John Carter @xyz. So we will use underscore. But if we use underscore, so this will so our regular expression will get confused. See, if we define underscore, it is not working. So what we will we will use or condition. So we'll keep one bracket, we'll write underscore, then pi, sorry, hyphen, then pi, then underscore, then we'll close the bracket. Okay. Yes, again it is not matching, and .com. Okay, so here we will define, because here it is not .com, here it is under hyphen .com. So let me try again. Here we will give pi and one hyphen. Yes. Now this expression will check either dot or hyphen. So in most of the email ID there is .com, but in there is one single email address where .com is not there, hyphen is there, hyphen com. So we have used or condition, either it will check for dot or either will hyphen. Now com is present in everywhere. So this expression will match email address entire. So we'll put in bracket. Why put in bracket? If we check the list, so here it is showing dot dot dot, because we need to group the entire expression so that it will extract in a list. So could okay, so this is called capture group. Yes, capture group one. We have one bracket. This is one entire expression. This is considering the entire expression as a one expression, and whatever things matching this expression in the in our data, it will be listed out here. Okay, see, so all the email address is there. Okay, so this is a small example. Okay, so we will move to some complex example. We will parse one raw log. So let's take example of, okay. So this is a raw log. So you are using some your new device that your SIM do not have parser for it, and your parser required to develop a regular expression. A regular expression is required to create parser. So I will tell you some common, so general way. It depends. It is not dependent on any particular vendor SIM parser. So it is uh, general for all kind of parsers. So this is the raw log, and how to write regular expression to extract some important fields. I will tell you. So first case, we want to extract this time. Okay, the time is important. So how to write regular expression to extract this time? So there are multiple ways in which we can write a regular expression according to situation. But in my case, I will tell you few ways. So here I can see this is one before time. This is one raw log till here. Now there is another raw log here, time is starting, and in each log we can see there is a one which is constant and constantly appearing in every log. So in simply we write one, it will highlight all the ones wherever it present. Now there is a one space. Okay, so we will use backslash s to match a space. Now I want to match everything after this one and a space till md, till here, or till md. Okay, to match everything after that one or a space, we will use dot star and question mark. Question mark is used to match one or more, zero or one only. Okay, so I will tell you the difference. Now I will write md. See, we can successfully having successfully has been passed time, but the problem is here. It is also taking parsing some other things. Okay, that is not required. So we need to change our expression. We can see this is year, now month, day. Now T is the time zone. Then this is hour, minute, second, and this is some fixed term which is appearing in every time. Okay, so instead of using md, we will restrict it till this 00. Okay, now we can see the time has been extracted. Now I can tell you, yeah, see, this is the time has been extracted successfully. But the problem is if you change one or replace one with 3, the expression will not match, or any other character, it will not match. So there must be one. So this is very this is dependent on the fields which is coming before and after. So if anything changes, the expression will not work. So I will tell you some complex to regular expression to match precisely the time in this example. So for example, this is year. So we all know year um, can be maximum can be 4 digits. So maximum not, it must be 4 digits, not less than, not more than. Okay. So sorry. It's, so we'll write backslash d. Backslash d will match every digit. Okay. Now every single digit is matching every single digit, but I want to restrict till 4, till match to 4 digits. So I have restricted match to 4, exact 4 digit. It will match everything, every number which has 4 digit, minimum 4 digit. See, This is the year and it has 4 digits, so it has been highlighted. This is also highlighted, it has 5 digit, but it will highlight initial 4. Okay, but so here are multiple numbers has been highlighted. So what we will do, but our requirement is to just highlight this date. Now after that there is one hyphen which is constant, so we can simply use hyphen. Now again there is a month. So month maximum can be 2 digit and minimum can be 1 digit. Okay. So again to match digit we will use backslash d, and to restrict the digit date month we can use 1 or 2, because month minimum can be 1 or maximum can be 2 digits. Okay. Now again there is a hyphen. It is constant, hyphen is a constant, we can just simply write hyphen. Now again there is day. Day is minimum of 1 and maximum of 2. So again same, so backslash d to match digit, and we will restrict it till 1 to 2. Okay. Now we have successfully matched our year, month and day. Now in between there is a T after that. T is a time zone, so we'll write the simple capital T, so it will match T. Now again uh, there is hour. Hour can be maximum of 2 digits and minimum of 1 digit. So again we will use backslash D and we will restrict to 1 or 2 to match. So we can see time has been matched. Again there is a colon which is fixed. We can use simple colon. Again in the same way, minute can be minimum of 1 or maximum of 2 digits. Again I will use backslash for minute, and it should be minimum of 1 or maximum of 2. Okay. Similarly, will again there is a colon, we will use colon. Again backslash second. Second is also minimum of 1 and maximum of 2. See. So here we have successfully extracted the time from each log. Now we will see. So nothing is appearing here because no capture group is defined. Because this expression we have to put entire expression in a bracket to make as a one capture group. Okay, see, now we can see the time has been parsed successfully. Okay, now the next field I want to parse is this is something like host name or device name something. So how to parse that? Okay, here I can see in multiple ways we can use it, but before MD there is a one is white space and 00. 00 is common everywhere, I think. Yeah. So we can simply, sorry, you can use over here 0, 0, and then is one white space, and we want to match everything after that. So we'll dot star colon, okay, till white space, because after this, after 7, there is a one white space. So till white space will match. See, everything is highlighted, but there is one problem. It is also capturing this 0 and white space, so we don't want this, so we need to just define some more accurate thing, so we can use underscore. Yes, see, now it is not coming. See, it has been extracted, but in other way I can also write in precisely. If these numbers are changing in your logs, so in that case, that we have I have used one constant term, that colon and double zero. So if these fields are changing in your log, so that expression will not work. So let me write another way to match precisely. So this host name is starting with capital or a small. That may be capital or maybe small. So we simply define one character group, A A to Z, then again capital to Z, and close it. Okay. Now it also contains digits, so we'll also define 0 to 9. Okay. So it will match each character, each numbers and letters, but we will plus to match one continuous numbers and characters. Okay. Now there is a hyphen. Yes. Again there is some character and numbers. So again we will define same thing, A to Z, sorry, A to Z, to match all number the letters between A to Z in small and capital. Okay. Now there is a number as well. Okay. So we'll plus to match continuous. Yes. So here this has been the device name has been parsed successfully, but apart from this it is matching some garbage that we don't want. Okay. But I can see the ICS is common in each device name. It is not changing, and P07, P05, P03 is changing. So what we will do, we'll just restrict it with ICS. We will just give some unique identity. After hyphen, there is one ICS in capital letter. We'll write ICS in capital. Okay. See, now it is matching everything wherever the host name is present. It is matching host name. Now we can see. So no capture group is defined. So we'll put in a bracket. See, all the host name has been highlighted or extracted successfully. Now I want to extract the event name. Suppose this is a scan alert. This is the event name. I want to extract all the event name. Scan alert and scan complete, scan statistic. So I want to highlight these things. Okay, so I can see this scan alert is under 2 pi. Okay, 2 bars. So we will use, if we use simple bar, it will act as a or condition, but don't want to use this bar as a or condition. We will just use backslash then bar, so it will be considered as a simple bar. Okay, now there is a space. I can see not a space. I want to match everything between 2 bars. Okay, till okay here. So this has been parsed, but it is also parsing device name, device name and file system, many things. So what we will do, we will just before scan there is a underscore, sorry, hyphen, which is common everywhere. So we will give some unique identity. So and also there is one space before bar. So to define one space, we will use backslash and then a space, and before white space there is a underscore, sorry, hyphen. Yes. Now This regular expression is matching from here to here, but we only want scan alerts, nothing else. So what we will do, we will create one capture group. Capture group is already created because it is already in. So the expression which is under bracket is matching the this thing. Okay, so I can see, yes, this is the scan alert complete statistic, scan alerts, scan complete. We are matching everything successfully. Okay, now we want to extract the device name. Okay, how we will do? So it is simple. So just we type device. Okay, now after device there is a one white space. Okay, backslash is to match white space. Then there is a one colon, colon. Now I want to match everything after colon. So we use bracket dot star question mark. Then so it is asking you want to match everything after colon till what? Okay, so I want to restrict till this bar. Okay, so we want to use bar as a simple bar, not as a keyword. So we'll use backslash then bar. See why we use question mark? Question mark will match 0 or 1 time, only one time. If you don't use question mark, it will match till all the bars. So I want to restrict it to one time only. See the first bar will come, it will be restricted to first bar. Okay. Now we can see the list, all the device name. Yeah, we can see the device name all. Similarly, we can also parse product ID. Okay, product in capital ID, then space, then colon. Again, we match everything after colon. So use same expression star and dot star question mark and bracket close till this bar. Okay, so we'll backslash and bar. See, this is highlighted. All the product ID has been highlighted. See, the product ID has been highlighted. Similarly, you want to extract serial number and you want to extract serial number this. So the expression after colon will remain constant. Okay, now we'll type serial exact, we will write exactly which is written in the logs, serial number, then backspace, yes, to match here serial number there is a backspace, one white space, sorry. You can see all the serial number is highlighted. See, all the serial number is highlighted. Okay, similarly you can just like file system, malware, malware found, file name. So we want to extract file name, so simply just you remove this serial number or type file. Okay, this file will match this file and there is a one white space, so backslash and small s will match the white space, then there is a colon. Yes, now we want to match everything after colon. Okay, till this bar. Okay, so we have used the same expression and bracket dot star and question mark. Okay, similarly the malware name will remove, let me show you. Yeah, so all the file name has been extracted. Now we will use malware name. Simply remove this. malware name. Okay, again all the malware name has been highlighted. See, so in this way we can extract all the important fields, and depends on your requirement. And we can also, this is path, this is hash value. So one last I will show you by extracting hash sha1. See, hash value has been highlighted from wherever it is present, it will be highlighted. Okay, so far we have learned some basic keywords of regular expression, and we have learned how to write some basic regular expressions, then complex one. Okay, so if you have any doubt, just write in the comments, and thank you for watching. Bye bye.